Hi, my name is Sunil Kumar, and let me take uh, take you through the directory structure. This is my GitHub repo, and for MiroFish-Tauri app, and this was the old repo here, and this is the uh, new directory I have built already for this, and let's go to the latest builds of this app. These are some early builds which were crashed during. These are some fixes I have made, and this is the latest build in which I have pre-filled the API keys, so you don't have to manually enter them when app is launching. So now app will should be launching directly. So we click here, and if you want to go, this was the complete build. You can see the steps. Alright, so this is like let's go to latest build, and if we want to we can download this app for testing on Mac. We go to artifacts, and I can download it from here. Alright, file size is 463 MB here. I have already downloaded it, so let me take you to that. So I have already downloaded it. It's a zip file. And then I have extracted this zip file in this folder. So DMG, you will get the DMG file which can be installed in Mac as app. These are some supporting files. Alright. So this was a directory, and if you want to test it locally, all the steps I have already generated those, but let's run it again. Let's Alright, I can run it again also. So we start backend here. So we have some virtual environment which is we naming is VNV311, and we will activate this. Alright, so virtual environment is activated, and this is a script I have written, like it's already there. So let's start backend. Well, backend is started. It's crashed. I don't know why, but let's try again, because virtual environment is switched to different. So let's start again. Alright. It's running now. Now what we will do is we will start front end. Front end also started. So what I have already done was I have run multiple iterations on this. So this iteration was best successful, which I have. So I uploaded the file here. I will show you first complete build, then I will go through the real-time build also. So this is already there. So graph was built here. So let's see. So this was the graph, entity graph, rag. You can say these are some entities found. And this is the mode if we want to show the labels on the edges or not. And if I So if I can drag one person from this, so it will be like, no, it is not a person, user. So purple ID is Hyderabad is our college here, and so professor. So, Dr. Sukumar is our professor for security subject. This was the PDF of it. I uploaded that, and this was the things it goes through. It builds the graph first, and we can enter the environment also here. So then we can run the simulation also. So I am trying to go through fast go through the things fast, very fast. So it's progress 52%. We can then start simulation also in this. Alright, this step is completed. Right, now what we will do is, these are the some entities it has found, and these are the entities. Now it will run the simulation on based on these entities. So let's start the simulation also. Alright. Alright, after, because alright, so we can generate group here because it was already generated report, so this is not showing anything here. So we can go to the generate report also. If it takes some time, let's say it will take some time because this report is already generated. We can go to this directly. So go through this, like I can go to this directly in this report. This was the report. It has generated, right? And we can then next step, the final step would be like to interact and have an interactive conversation with the personalities and agents here, right? So some deep insights are there. So these are some predictions and insights it has compiled from that PDF. About professor also, program search, then report was complete here. If we want to interact with this, we can ask questions. Alright, so we can have some interaction. We can type our questions here. chat some we can chat with some individuals. It's a simulation, so we can talk to our professor, like we could chat. So alright, this was the full-fledged. Now I can show you like so it's going on it's not working so well right now. Okay, so what we do is we upload some uh, PDF, and okay, so this was, then we get some prompt here. Right, start the engine. Then it will build the graph, and then uh, it will have some entity relationships, abstract entities. Then in second phase it will set up the environment. So in this, all the entities from graph will be converted into some AI agents, and each agent is will be given some detailed profile also. Like those entities will have some traits, opinions, interests, uh, communication style. Let's say a professor have some communication style like that. Then simulation configure also generated, so which will define the number of rounds, what is the time per round, and what was the platform to simulate, like platforms like Twitter and Reddit, something like that. And then the simulation starts in third phase. The system launches a separate Python process that runs simulation. Uh, like in this, right. Then agents will interact on simulated platforms like Twitter and Reddit, and each round represents a step. And also agent will decide what action to take using the LLM or something like that. I don't know the backend very much in this. Then next phase will be report generation. After the simulation completes, specialized reports agent analyze all the data and generate structured report and give some insights, like behaviors and patterns, and some predictions also. And then in next phase we can have some deep instruction, and the system will remain interactive at that time also. You can talk to any agent and ask why they behave a certain way, and so all right, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity. Thank you for the opportunity, and I really appreciate it. And I will looking forward to your looking forward for your feedback. It was a good learning through this experience, and